Okay, let's move on and see some examples of physical changes around us. One example is the change of state of water. Remember, we said the physical states are solids, liquids, and gases. Now, water is so special, it can exist in all the three states. In the solid state, it is ice. Over here, it is liquid water. And then, once we heat it, it changes to water vapor. Now, water absorbs energy from the environment. When in the form of ice, water in the form of ice absorbs energy from the environment to break bonds, and then we get liquid water. This liquid water also absorbs energy when heated, and then we get our vapor from it. Now, this is a change that can be reversed. If we cool the water vapor, they lose energy, and then we get our liquid water. If we cool the liquid water further, it gives us our ice back. So over here, there is a change in state. No new substance is formed. It is still water. And this reaction can be reversed. The water vapor could be reversed to get the liquid water. And then the liquid water could be cooled to get the ice. Another example is solidification of metals. When molten metals are allowed to cool, their solid forms are formed. Over here, this yellow thing you see here is a molten metal. Every substance has its melting point. If the substance is heated to that point, it is going to melt. So when iron is in the molten state and is allowed to cool, a solid ion will be formed. This reaction can be reversed by heating the iron to its melting point again. So over here, it is molten iron that has melted. If we want to get molten iron again from the solid iron, we heat the iron to its melting point. Our third and final example for today is melting or dissolving of compounds. Now, in water, ionic compounds dissolve. So let's use sodium chloride as an example. Here, there's our water molecule here. Now, with the water molecule, you see that over here, there's this different thing here. So we can take this to be our salt. With time, you see that the salt is going to split. As you see the positive, you see the negative. The salt particles are splitting, and then eventually there will be a homogeneous mixture. So here there's a salt particle, here. Okay, there are salt particles that have been mixed homogeneously, uniformly. So the salt particle was there, it was put in the water, it dissociated and then combined with the water molecules. Therefore, we get a solution. Now, this can be reversed. If you want to get your salt molecules back, you just need to get rid of the water molecules by evaporating. So you can get your salt back by evaporating the water molecules. So no new substances are formed in physical changes. Physical changes are mostly reversible.